dun, 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 dun. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Technically it's still a new year and I'm sure that making more money or saving more money in 2020 is one of your goals for the year. So in this video I'm going to be sharing the tips that have helped me in the past to save more, in the hopes that it will help you too. But before we get into today's video, if you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Onyinye and this is my YouTube space. You're going to enjoy being a part of this community, so just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. So like I said in the beginning, if making more money or saving more money is in your goals for 2020, you would not be able to do that if you don't know how to manage what you currently earn. So in this video, the tips that I'm going to be giving will help you manage what you earn in the hopes that we make more in 2020. These tips have helped me in the past, they are helping me now, and I'm hoping that they will help you too. So if it helped you, leave a comment in the comment section. If anything I'm going to say is something that you are doing currently, leave it in the comment section. If you have other tips that I didn't mention in this video that would help people reading, also leave it in the comment section as well. I think I've rambled enough. We are just going to go into the video. So one of the things that I've done that has helped me save more is to not lend money to people long term, especially if it's an amount that I cannot forfeit. See, with lending money, there are people who, okay, say let me use myself as an example. Like in my circle, I know that there are some of my friends that will just call me up and say, I need, it might be huge, say like 150,000 naira, and I know that they have that money, and for whatever reason they cannot access it at the moment. I wouldn't mind like just going somewhere and sending that money to them, because I know that once they can access the money, they are going to send it back to me. But then there are other group of people that just feel that you are balling. Like I don't know where they get the idea from, but they just feel that you have this stash of money somewhere that you don't want to spend, so they are offering to spend it to you. Those kind of people will just call you up and they will lend you like 10,000 naira, and they don't have any intention of paying back, like any intention of paying back at all. So what I usually do is, if you are one of those people that I know that you don't return the money that you borrow, and if you call me up to lend money, I say I don't have the money at the moment, but I have say 2,000 or 5,000 naira that I can send to you. Maybe that will help you buy airtime to call other people, but for me I don't have like the huge sum that you're asking for, because I know that they would not pay back. So for those kind of people, I no longer lend money to people, especially if it's an amount that I cannot forfeit. From my experience, lending money to people like that, just it costs me double, because I end up losing the friendship and I end up losing my hard-earned money as well. And I would rather keep both, because I don't make friends easily and I don't pluck money from trees. So instead of spoiling like the whole situation, I end up not lending money to those kind of people at all. That has helped me keep my money where it belongs, in my bank account. The second thing that I have done religiously is to save a percentage of my income every month. Like no matter how hard it is, I try to just remove, once I get paid, I remove that percentage from my salary and send it to my savings. A way that you can do this is to start with your current earnings. So list out what you earn and then list out all the expenses that you have in the month. I'm talking about needs, not wants now. So list those things out, then kind of draw a budget. How much do you know that you can survive on a monthly basis, and how much of your salary can you afford to put aside every single month? So do that calculation and decide for yourself what that percentage is, and every single month make sure that once you get paid, you remove that percentage and send it somewhere. I use piggy vest. They used to be piggy bank, they are now piggy vest. I use piggy vest to do mine. Like there's a way you can set it to remove a certain amount from your salary every month. You put in the dates, the amounts that you want, and it does that. So that's what I do. The app also has like investment opportunities that you can invest your money in if it's something that you want to do. So start with your current earning and set that percentage aside every single month. If you have built up to something that you want to now invest, you can take that huge sum and go and invest. That way your money keeps working for you. If you want to sign up to Piggyvest, I would leave my link in the description box. If you use that link, I think I get a commission, so I'm just going to leave that link in the description box. It doesn't affect your money or anything, so if you want to use my link to sign up, I'll leave it in the description box. Another thing that I've been doing that helps me save more is to invest in quality stuff, especially when it comes to like fashion items and electronics that I need, like phones. So I have not shopped for clothes or shoes or or any fashion item in like maybe 2 going on 3 years now, and that's because a long time ago I invested in quality clothes that have lasted me all these years. It might seem like you are spending more, but in the long run it's way cheap. You know the Rock Nation on Instagram, I'm that chairperson because I rock my clothes all the time, and because I wear my clothes very often, I need them to be in good quality. I need them to be made of like good quality that would withstand all that wear. So if I had gotten something that was cheaper, like I would have ended up buying clothes like every other month, and that would definitely cost more than just spending a little bit on something with better quality. So if you are looking to save more, I would say you should invest in quality stuff, especially if you find yourself rebuying certain things all the time, especially clothes and shoes. If you find yourself always going shopping for clothes, for shoes, buying the same thing all over again, I would say you should save up your money, invest in quality stuff that would last for a long time. That way you end up saving more because you get the use out of the things that you're paying for. I'm not saying that you should not thrift. I own a thrift store. I understand that sometimes thrift is affordable, it is pocket friendly, but the thing is, if you are going to thrift for items that you know you would wear more than 3-4 times. Don't just go and buy something because it's cheap. You now buy it, wear it once, and that's it. Some of those things even come damaged. So thrift quality items that would last you a while, as opposed to buying cheap things that you wear once or twice and that's it. The fourth tip, and probably the final tip that I'm going to be sharing in this video, what am I doing, is to prioritize your expenses. There are definitely things that you're spending on right now that you absolutely do not need at all. So look at what you're spending your money on and make a decision on the things that you're going to cut out of your budget. That way you have some extras to save. The key to saving more or earning more money is to know how to manage what you currently earn. When you know how to manage what you currently earn, it means that you would have the means to save more, and when you save more, you have much more to invest in other things which will bring additional income for you. In as much as all these things that I've said in this video have helped me save more, I'll be lying if I say that that is all that you need. It's not true. This is not what you are going to blow with. This is not what you would become rich with. The Nigerian situation, the Nigerian economy requires that you diversify your income. Like, you cannot rely on one source of income. You will not be able to survive this country. Even rich people who don't focus on one source of income, they are earning from multiple different places, which is why they are rich. So the economy requires that you diversify your income. So in as much as you want to save more, I would advise that you find a way to earn more, not just from one source but from multiple different sources, as many as you can manage. So find a way to diversify your income. I did a video a while back on side hustles that you can do if you are a student. I think some of those things you can do if you're not a student as well. I'll leave a link here or here and in the description box as well, and I think I would film an updated version of that video for like regular side hustles that you can do to earn more money. So that's it for this video. Let me know if it helped you. Let me know in the comment section, and if you have other tips that would help as well, I am looking for advice. Let me know in the comment section as well. I'll be looking forward to reading all of your comments. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.